Hi, I'm Helena and welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would do an iron review. Not exactly what I thought I'd be spending my time as when I was a child. When I became to this age of 25, that's not what I envisioned. But here I am doing an iron review. Before sewing, I didn't really iron at all. I barely knew what that was, to be honest. Now that I have done a lot of sewing, I don't know if it's a lot, maybe it's not, but now that I've sewed, it's very important in sewing, we all know, to iron and press out your seams. It will make a much better garment. So today I'm going to talk to you about the iron I have and what I think of it. So before this I had an iron from Kmart, which was $7, pretty sure, from memory. So it leaked on me hot water and it didn't feel very great. So I wouldn't recommend that one, but if you've only got $7 to spend on an iron, fair enough. So first I'll talk about the pros. So it produces a lot of steam, which is good because it really gets the creases out. I don't know if I'll turn it on, do some, I'm not ironing anything, I'm just weirdly going back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you can see that. See how much steam it's producing? So you could really have your own in-house sauna if that's what you were looking for. So it's by Philips, and I'll link all the details below and sort of different places you can get it. But me just trying to read what it is. So it's Perfect Care Power Life or Life? Yes, I think that's what it's called. It's gold and black. Got a little bit of a purple sticker on it. So I'll move on to the next pro. Is it hasn't burnt any of my fabric yet. So that's a plus because the other one did quite a few times. Yeah. But yeah, so this one has a no burn guarantee on all ironable fabrics. It doesn't really have a temperature setting, it just sort of decides. So that's good. So it just sort of chooses the setting for you. I feel like as you sort of go, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm trying to get there fast, but it heats up a bit more and produces more steam. And I will zoom in on the closer buttons and settings that you can see as I overlay this here. Yeah, so it's, besides that, moving on to the next one. So it does take quite a lot of water. I'm not exactly sure the specifics, but I'll put that in. Yeah, so it does feel like quite a lot of water, but it uses a lot of steam, so you need a lot of water. So yeah. So another pro, it heats up pretty quickly. It has a blue flashing light, which again I'll zoom in on that. So it has a blue flashing light and it flashes and flashes until it stops flashing. What that means is it's ready. Interrupt this program from the future. It has started pouring in that video and so there's a lot of noise. So that's what it is, and I apologize. So I think this would be good for someone who wants to iron a lot of things at once, because it's got a really big face and it produces a lot of steam. So if I were to choose a new iron again, would I choose this one? Maybe, maybe not. I might look at irons that have a smaller head. So that moves me on to the con. And the only really con I can think of this iron is the only other con I can think of this one is that it's quite big. Like if you look at this, holding up to my head, I don't know if you can visually see, but it's quite big. And that also makes it a bit heavy. Like I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not a bodybuilder. Like, can you tell? I hope you can't tell. But yeah, so it's a bit heavy for me. Like it's not heavy in that I can't lift it, it's just more if I'm doing this a lot, you know, this is how you iron, right? Yeah, then it does get a little annoying. Like for instance, at university, or TAFE, or the degree I'm doing, they have, I guess they call them industrial irons, which sounds pretty fancy, but they're really not. They're a lot smaller, and I like that. And I didn't realize I liked that until I used them, then I was like, poof. But yeah. So that's the main pros and cons. Gives you an idea if you're looking for an iron, things to consider and things to look at in other irons about what you might or might not like. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye!